Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learning about counting short, which is a non-comparison based algorithm. Unlike bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, counting short does not compare elements with each other. Instead, it is worked by counting how many times each value appears. In this video, I will explain when counting short is used, the main idea behind it, step by step working, counting array and prefix sum, stability, time and space complexity, advantages and limitation. Let's get started. So now we are going to learning about when counting short is used. First one is input value are integers. Value are in a small and known range. We want fast sorting. Example: sorting exam marks, sorting age of peoples, frequency based problems, sorting characters. Counting short is not suitable. The range of value is very large. Input contain float point numbers. Key idea behind the algorithm. The key idea of counting short is very simple. Instead of comparing elements, we count how many times each value appears. Then we use to count to place each element in its correct short position. That is why it is called counting short. Assumption about input range. Counting short make an important assumption. The minimum and maximum value known. For example, if value range from 0 to 9, we need to count array of size 10. The size of counting array depends on the maximum value, not the number of elements. Step by step explanation. Counting short works in these main steps. First one is find the maximum value. Second one is create a counting array. Third one is store the frequency of each element. Fourth one is convert count array to prefix sum. Final one is build the output array. Now let's understand each step and example. So now I'm going to explain how to counting short actually work using with example. So you can see input number is in here. So our first step is determine the number range. We need to find the maximum number is 9. So next step is create an empty index array of a size range. We need to our maximum number is 9. We need to 1 to 9 index. So next step is fill the index array with the number of occurrences. That is, you can see in here our first index is 1. That is 1 is a 0 value. Number 2 is 1 because the 2 has a 1 number. The 3 is not here, so that is a value is 0. The 4 is we have 2, so the value is 2. Number 5 index 5 has no 6, 7, 8 is 1. So next one is sum of the index array value with predecessor's value. That is our index is 1. You can see value is 0. We need to calculate the first in here. You can see 2 and 1. So that is 1 plus 0 is 1. The third one is 0 plus 1. That is 1 because 1 plus 0 is 1. Fourth one is the 1 plus 2, that is 3. After you can see that is the like that you can calculate the sum of the predecessors. So next one is create output array to store sorted value. We have 6 number of value. So Next one is the map the input index output array. So we need to find out the index array value previous. We need to find the input number list of 4 index array value. You can see 4 is the value is 3. You can output array index is 3. You can add value for 4 in here. After you determine the index array value 3 minus 1, that is 2. So next one is 9. 9 is value is 6. You can output array index value 6. You can add the 9 value in here. So that also determine the index array value 6 plus 6 minus 1, that is 5. So next one is 2. 2 is here. You can see 2 has a value 1. You added the index 1 output array value to 2. So and also the determine the value in here 1 minus 0 is 0. So and also others value you can add it like that. Stability of count and sort algorithm. Count and sort is a stable sorting algorithm. The stability is if two elements have the same value, their original order is preserved. This is very important when sorting objects, multiple keys are involved. Stability is achieved by traversal the input from right to left. Time and space complexity. Time complexity is n plus k. N is a number of elements, k is a range of input values. Space complexity and also n plus k because we use counting array and output array. Advantages and limitation. Advantages: very fast for small ranges, no comparisons, stable sorting, simple logic. Limitation: work only for integers, not suitable for the largest range, use extra memory. So counting short is powerful but only the right situation. So I think you can get some idea about the counting short algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson.